This is my rendition of making a feather. If you've ever watched Astro Boy, it's feather. Okay, this is the basic stem that goes up the whole shaft of the feather. Now this is what I call my fold and pull method. And the idea is to heat the rod you're adding, not the actual stem. You're touching it too and pulling it away, but you're not actually heating it. But once you learn this fold and pull, you can make it into ears, you can make it into leaves, you can make it into just about anything. And now you've done one side. Basically do the same thing again on the other. Now, here's the kicker. Heat up the whole thing. This will alleviate a lot of the stress that you just put in that whole thing. And lightly and gently stretch it. Okay? Let me put a loop on this, a bail on this side. And I will show you what was just made. Of course, when I'm looking for a rod for a bail, it's going to take me a while, isn't it? Yeah, that's it. Again, when I do bails, all I do is I do a basic question mark, bring it out wide and long, and then I heat up in the middle and let gravity sort of work for you. Of course, it's going to screw up right at the wrong time. And then seal it together. Let me get a pair of tweezers out so I can show this to you. And there you go. Simple, basic feather. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.